Hello, so can you introduce yourself?
My name is Vivek. I'm studying right now. I'm studying MSc Meteorology in Cochin University of Science and Technology.
And why did you decided to join science?
Science basically because science explain to us why things happens the way it happens. So it is always a very interesting thing to look into things and analyze the reasons behind it, the mechanisms of it. Yeah, that's why.
Okay, so what get you interested in climate as a study or physics?
Uh, because I did my graduation in physics and I was not interested to pursue pure physics for masters because I wanted to do something more concentrated, something more applicable in general. So I found meteorology or atmospheric science in general as a subject of very relevant importance and a great application of physics. So yeah, that's why.
Okay, you got a project in IISER Pune. You got as a project student. So can you tell for our audience like how to get projects under IISER professors?
Hmm. So the process is basically simple. You have to go through the department website and you can see the professors and their email IDs and their area of interest. So you have to find a professor whose area of interest is aligning to your area of interest, and you just have to mail them. You have to convince them that you are a right candidate for them, and they also need to have a vacancy in the project position also. Uh, so that is the procedure.
So how do you get information about like vacancy under
Yeah,
in the lab?
in some institutions they have a separate project student internship or master project program like that. But here I think you have to contact the professor personally and ask him if he have an opening or anything like that.
Okay, so like what do you write exactly in the email and how do you convince them to give a project?
Yeah, first introduce yourself well, and most importantly just add the skills that you actually have. You don't have to exaggerate or anything because eventually you will be coming here and doing in person. So just add the skills that you actually have and be honest with them. Tell them about your interest and what you want to do with them. That's all, I guess.
So you attach a resume in your email,
Yes, yes.
also a cover letter or a statement of purpose, anything like that.
Nothing. I attached my CV and just added this all this point in the as the mail's content. That's
So
one thing.
how to make a resume specifically for getting these research projects?
Nothing. The add the your if you have any previous internship experiences, add that. If you attended some seminars or taken any courses that is useful for the project, add that. If you have any programming experiences, add that. That's it.
What do you mean by programming experience? Is it like doing DSA or lead code questions
Yeah, I
or
think if you have a physics background, then you have studied C or C plus or Python or anything like that in your graduation. So you can add that. And if you have done any internship specifically in any programming language, that's a plus. Uh, yeah, that's what I meant.
okay, so what do you do exactly in a research internship or a research project?
Research project I am about to start, so I don't have much idea. I had done an internship in the radar center of my department where we basically analyzed a series of data from an instrument called celiometer and made some analysis. It was some basic analysis only. So about the project, I am still about to do that. Yeah.
So how, as far as today, uh, what was your experience in IISER has been in IISER Pune?
Yeah, this is just my first day and it's fabulous. It's a great campus, great environment, and I'm looking forward to explore more.
Okay, thank. Any additional thing you want to say to our audience? Any
Nothing.
advice you have for them?
Yeah, be honest when you are approaching a professor or in whatever opportunities you are looking forward. Be honest. That's the whole point, I guess. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you, sir.